Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. So today nothing new is there with me. I was just talking about, let's have a quick talk regarding the monsoon makeup, and I have a very special tips to give you girls. I know my hair are really unkempt today, but I just got an idea, and as you all know my lovely ladies, that I hardly get time to do a proper shoot, so it is just a random shoot, nothing much about it. So tip number one, what you have to do for your monsoon makeup: so first and the foremost, wear much of the moisturizer so that your skin can actually glow. And the right type of wearing moisturizer is, of course, at the bedtime. You need to cleanse your face, and then you will have to just remove all the makeup and whatever you have on your face, and give it twice a week scrub. You have to do. My baby is still with me. He's still not sleeping. It's night. What time it is? It's 11:25 and he is not at all sleepy like mommy. Baby, please let me talk to my friends. Hmm. Okay, so wearing moisturizer will definitely help you in this season. I understand that for some people who already have this greasy skin, so for them I always recommend, because I do have a similar problem. So for them I always recommend that Cetaphil hydrating lotion is there, and then if your skin is extremely dry, then I would recommend Cetaphil moisturizer is also there, that comes in a bottle packaging. And you can just apply that underneath your makeup, and at the bedtime you will not have to skip it. And then another tip I have for you, baby, please don't touch that. Okay, I should, I know that I'm expecting such comments that I should always shoot at peace, but it is very tough to find these days. He's growing up and he has completely occupied mommy, and I don't want to disappoint you all at the same time, and he is my priority. So I'm very much deviating from the topic. Let's come back to it. Yes, so it's highly recommended that you gonna use the waterproof makeup. If you have the regular eyeliner, mascara, then all will go in vain, baby, because it is rainy days outside. You don't know when the water gets shower on you, and your makeup will just go off. So I will recommend that please buy some matte side or glossy side, but the waterproof mascara as well as the liner. Now I will recommend a very good makeup base for oily skin and for the dry skin as well. So if you have the oily skin, then I will certainly recommend you Kryolan's Derma color. It is very good. It is waterproof, and it will not let any sort of sweat on your skin, because in monsoon the climate is quite humid at times. When it's not raining outside, it's not windy outside, so the it is in MP actually it is humid climate. So to avoid all the jazz, you will have to just have that Kryolan Supra color product. And if you have a dry skin, then not the Supra color, I'm so sorry, that's the Derma color, camouflage derma color Kryolan. I will be mentioning all the product list in the description box, so please do not forget to check that out. And if you have oily dry skin, then I will recommend again a waterproof base, and that is by Kryolan again, and it is Kryolan Supra color. Now this time I'm right, it's Kryolan Supra color. So now, as two things we have covered, that you have to wear a moisturizer underneath, and then you have to apply a base so that your makeup can look flawless. Now I will just recommend, I'm just coming from stepwise. I'm coming from, like, first you have to cleanse your skin, and then you have to do moisturizer, and then you have to apply a base and waterproof makeup, I mean kajal, liner and mascara. And now you will have to have a very good waterproof foundation. So for foundation, I will highly recommend Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. It is coming in so many shades. You can just choose whatever suits you. I would recommend to go for, online shopping for the shades of foundation or the lipstick, because I certainly not recommend, because every time I buy foundation or lipstick online, that does not turn out to be how I have expected, because there is a bit variance on the website, in the product description mentioned on the website, and what we actually get. So it's always better to just make some more effort and simply go to the market and buy from there. Okay, I just try to be very much clear in my speech. I'm sorry, my camera is not stable right now because I'm not using tripod, because my baby pushed the tripod, and that's the reason I could not make any proper video. Another thing which you can do is, yes, so we have covered foundation. That the one I have told is the Nykaa Skin Genius. Another foundation which you can go with, which is again a waterproof. See, if you have a waterproof base, then you need not too much worry about the foundation. It will just give a finish to your face. So if even if it is not waterproof, then it is fine, because you are already using a base which is waterproof. And another, well, you can just jot down the names. Another in my list is Maybelline's foundation, Fit Me poreless foundation, and one of my all-time favorite is L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It is a bit pricey side, but then if you want to invest something really good in the foundation, then you can just make this purchase of somewhere around 1600 or 1500 bucks. So it is again a very good one. Another thing which I want to add is, now we are coming on to lipsticks or the blushes. So blush will absolutely look good in this monsoon weather. If you have those pinky cheeks with the pinky nose, it will just, enlighten your overall look, and it will exactly go with the weather, windy weather, rainy weather outside. So always try to go for powder base, or you can just dab a lipstick. Do not have to be very much fancy. If you have any pinky color or the colder shade lipstick, you can just try it on your cheek. This is the area where we apply blush, so you just can, you can just smile, and this portion which just pops up, you will have to apply your blush over here. I'm not applying it right now, otherwise I would have shown it to you. I'll just make a separate tutorial. Just comment down below, I'll do that for you, provided I get time from this little naughty boy. Okay, and then for that matter, I would suggest that you go for a cream based blush in this monsoon, which will team up very good with your waterproof makeup. Please, thoda sa, little bit, please cooperate. And then the same goes for the eyeshadows. So if you have very much pigmented eyeshadow palette, I will not recommend any, because eyeshadows are something, you can do n number of experiments with. You can just these days these matte liquid matte lipsticks are in, so you can just make a liner out of it, or you can just dab some of the lipstick amount, the matte liquid lipstick, over your eyelids, and then just you can use it as a stain. That will just look fabulous. And try using some vibrant colors, because this is the season of experimenting with colors, wearing very catchy lightning colors, so that will look absolutely good. I think I should just discontinue making this video, because he's very much cranky. He will not let me end up this video. I was just coming onto the lipstick piece. So go for matte lipsticks, and glossy will be looking fabulous in this weather. And how about my this nude shade lipstick? It is very very affordable. Just keep guessing and just post the name of this lipstick down below. And that's all. I'll just wind up this video right here. Okay, I'm just coming, baby. So we'll be meeting next soon. Till then, bye bye.